to your channel Mathsmania. So today in this video we will continue with exercise 5.1 question number 4 of chapter 5 arithmetic progression of class 10. So in this question we have to check the following are AP or not. और अगर वो AP है तो हमें उसका कॉमन डिफरेंस फाइंड करना है और आगे के और 3 टर्म्स फाइंड करने हैं. तो आइए चलते हैं. P1 is equals to 2, P2 is equals to 4, P3 is equals to 8 and P4 is equals to 16. Now we will check the difference. So D1 is equals to P2 minus T1. Now what is the T2? 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. Now D2 P3 minus T2. Now what is the T3? 8 minus 4 is equals to 4. Now here we can see that T2 minus T1 not equal to T3 minus T2. So it is not an AP. क्योंकि AP होने के लिए डिफरेंस जो है वो क्या रहना चाहिए? सेम रहना चाहिए थ्रू आउट द AP. द कॉमन डिफरेंस विल रिमेन सेम. जो यहाँ पे नहीं हो रहा है, that's why it is not an AP. Now in the second question, T1 is equals to 2, T2 is equals to 5 by 2, T3 is equals to 3 and T4 is equals to 7 by 2. Now we will check the differences. D1 is equals to T2 minus T1. Now what is T2? 5 by 2 minus 2. Now 2 is the LCM. So 5 minus 4, that means 1 upon 2. Now we will check another difference. D2 is equals to T3 minus T2. Now what is T3? Is 3 minus T2 is 5 by 2. Again 2 is the LCM. 3 2s are 6 minus 5, that means 1 by 2. Now here we can see that the difference will remain same. So difference D is equals to 1 by 2. तो चलो डिफरेंस मिल गया. अब हमें कितने टर्म्स दिए हैं? 1 2 3 and 4. So we have to find out T5 is equals to A plus 4D, general formula of an AP. What is our A? 2 plus 4 into 1 by 2, because difference is 1 by 2. Now 2 2s are 4 and 2 plus 2 is 4. So our fifth term is 4. Now T6 is equals to A plus 5D. That means 2 plus 5 into 1 by 2. 2 is the LCM. So 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 5 upon 2. That means 9 by 2. So our sixth term is 9 by 2. Now 7. A plus 6D. That means 2 plus 6 into 1 by 2. Now 2 3s are 6 and 2 plus 3 is 5. So our seventh term is 5. So now we will move with the next question. Now in the question number 3, the AP is minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2 and minus 7.2. So P1 is equals to minus 1.2, P2 is equals to minus 3.2, T3 is equals to minus 5.2 and the T4 is equals to minus 7.2. Now we will check the differences. So D1 is equals to T2 minus T1. Now what is the T2? Minus 3.2 minus 1.2. That means minus 3.2 plus 1.2. That means minus 2. Again D2 is equals to T3 minus T2. Now what is the T3? Minus 5.2 minus 3.2. That means minus 5.2 plus 3.2 minus plus. That means minus 2. So here we can see that difference will remain same. So our difference is minus 2. Now we will find more 3 terms. That means 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we will start from T5. That means A plus 4D. Now what is our A? Minus 1.2 plus 4 into minus 2. That means minus 1.2 minus 8. That means minus 9.2. So our fifth term is minus 9.2. Now T6 A plus 5D. That means minus 1.2 plus 5 into minus 2. That means minus 1.2 minus 10. That means minus 11.2. So our sixth term is minus 11.2. Now T7 is equals to A plus 6D. That means minus 1.2 plus 6 into minus 2. That means minus 1.2 plus minus 12. That means minus 13.2. So our fifth term is minus 9.2, sixth term is minus 11.2, and the seventh term is minus 13.2. Now in the question number 4, T1 is equals to minus 10, T2 is equals to minus 6, T3 is equals to minus 2, and the T4 is equals to 2. Now we will check the differences. D1 is equals to T2 minus T1. That means what is our T2? Minus 6 minus 10. That means minus 6 plus 10. That means 4. Now again we'll check the second difference. D2 is equals to T3 minus T2. Now what is T3? Minus 2 minus 6. That means minus 2 plus 6 is equals to 4. So our difference will remain same. So difference is equals to 4. Now we will check the more terms. So T5 is equals to A plus 4D. What is our A? It's minus 10 plus 4 into 4. That means minus 10 plus 16. Minus 10 plus 16 is 6. So our fifth term is 6. Now T6, A plus 5D. That means minus 10 plus 5 into 4. That means minus 10 plus 20. That means positive 10. Minus plus minus. Now T7 is equals to A plus 6D. That means minus 10 plus 6 into 4. So minus 10 plus 24. So our next term is 14. So our fifth term is 6, sixth term is 10, and the seventh term is 14. So now we will move to the next question. Now in the question number 5, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2. So our first term T1 is equals to 3, T2 is equals to 3 plus root 2, T3 is equals to 3 plus 2 root 2, and the T4 is equals to 3 plus 3 root 2. Now we will check the differences. So D1 is equals to T2 minus T1. Now what is our T2? 3 plus root 2 minus, what is our T1? 3. 3 cut, that means root 2. Now the second difference, D2 is equals to T3 minus T2. Now what is T3? 3 plus 2 root 2 minus T2, 3 plus root 2. Now open the bracket, 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. Now 3 cut, 2 root 2 minus root 2, that means root 2. So we can see that our difference will remain same. So our difference D is equals to root 2. Now we will find fifth term T5 is equals to A plus 4D. Now what is A? 3 plus 4, and what is our difference? Root 2. That means 3 plus 4 root 2, our fifth term. Now T6, A plus 5D. That means 3 plus 5 root 2. Now T7, A plus 6D. That means 3 plus 6 root 2. So our fifth term is 3 plus 4 root 2. Sixth term is 3 plus 5 root 2. And the T7 is 3 plus 6 root 2. Now in the question number 6, 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222. So our first term T1 is equals to 0.2, T2 is equals to 0.22, T3 is equals to 0.222, and then T4 is equals to 0.2222. Now we will check the differences. T1 is equals to T2 minus T1. That means 0.22 minus 0.2. That means 0.02. Now D2 is equals to T3 minus T2. Now what is T3? 0.222 minus 0.22. That means 0.002. Now we can see that difference will not remain same. So simply it is not an AP. So now we will move with the next question. Now in the question number 7, 0, -4, -8, -12. So our first term T1 is equals to 0, T2 is equals to -4, T3 is equals to -12, and the T4 is T3 is equals to -8, and the T4 is equals to -12. So now we will check the differences. B1 is equals to T2 minus T1. Now what is our T2? -4 minus what is the T1 is 0. That means -4. Now again second difference, D2 is equals to T3 minus T2. Now what is T3? -8 minus T2 is -4. That means -8 plus 4 is equals to -4. Now we can see that difference will remain same. So our difference B is equals to -4. Now we will find fifth term T5 is equals to A plus 4D. Now what is A? First term is 0 plus 4 into -4. Now 4 into -4 is 16, and 0 minus 16, that means -16. So our fifth term is -16. Now T6 is equals to A plus 5D is equals to 0 plus 5 into -4. That means 5 4s are 20, and plus minus minus, that means -20. And the T7 is equals to A plus 6D. That means 0 plus 6 into -4, that means -24. So our fifth term is -16, sixth term is -20, and the seventh term is -24. Now in the question number 8, -1/2, -1/2, -1/2, -1/2. That means यहाँ पे तो लॉजिक है कि इसमें कुछ डिफरेंस है ही नहीं, तो हमारा फर्स्ट टर्म जो होगा वही आगे रिपीट होता रहेगा. That means T1 is equals to -1/2, T2 is equals to -1/2, T3 is equals to -1/2, and the T4 is equals to -1/2. Now difference D is equals to T2 minus T1, that means -1/2 plus 1/2 is equals to 0. Second difference D2 is equals to T3 minus T2, that means -1/2 plus 1/2 is equals to 0. Now we can see that difference will remain same and it is a 0. So our fifth term is also -1/2, sixth term is also -1/2, and this seventh term is also -1/2, क्योंकि यहाँ पे डिफरेंस कुछ है ही नहीं, डिफरेंस इज 0. अब कोई दो टर्म के बीच में कोई डिफरेंस है ही नहीं, तो सेम टर्म बार बार रिपीट होगा. सो नाउ वी विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नाउ इन द क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, 1, 3, 9, 27. So our first term T1 is equals to 1, T2 is equals to 3, T4 is equals to T3 is equals to 9, and the T4 is equals to 27. Now we will check the differences. D1 is equals to T2 minus T1, that means 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. Second difference, D2 is equals to T3 minus T2. Now what is T3? It's 9 minus T2 is 3, that means 6. Now we can see that difference will not remain same. So we can see that T2 minus T1 not equal to T3 minus T2. So it is not an AP. ये AP ही नहीं है, क्योंकि difference will not remain same. Now in the question number 10, A, 2A, 3A, 4A. So our first term T1 is equals to A, T2 is equals to 2A, T3 is equals to 3A, and the T4 is equals to 4A. Now we will check the differences. D1 is equals to T2 minus T1. Now what is T2? 2A minus A is equals to A. Now second difference D2, T3 minus T2. Now 3A minus 2A is equals to A. So we can see that difference will remain same. So our difference D is equals to A. So now we will find out the fifth term T5 is equals to A plus 4D. That means A plus 4 into A. Now A plus 4A, 5A. Now T6, A plus 5D. That means A plus 5 into A. That means 5A plus A, 6A. T7, A plus 6D. That means A plus 6 into A. That means 7A. So our fifth term is 5a, sixth term is 6a, and the seventh term is 7a. Now we will move to the next question. Now in the question number 11. So our first term t1 is equals to a, t2 is equals to a square, t3 is equals to a cube, and the t4 is equals to a raised to 4. Now we'll check the differences. d1 is equals to t2 minus t1. That means a square minus a. तब यहाँ पर तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता, सिर्फ a कॉमन निकल सकता है. That means a into a minus 1. Now d2 is equals to t3 minus t2. Now what is the t3? a cube minus a square. a square कॉमन निकलेगा. That means a minus 1. So now we can see that difference will not remain same. So d1 not equal to d2. That means it is not an AP. ये AP ही नहीं है क्योंकि difference will not remain same. Now in the question number 12, root 2, root 8, root 18 and root 32. So हम इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं root 2. root 8 को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 2 root 2. root 18 that means 3 root 2. root 32 that means 4 root 2. ये कैसे आया? तो क्या root 8 को हमने कैसे लिख दिया? 4 to the 8. Now square root of 4 is 2. root 2. 18 को हमने कैसे लिख दिया? Okay, 9 to the 18 that means square root of 9 is 3. root 2. root 32 that means 16 to the 32. Now square root of 16 is 4. root 2. So our first term t1 is equals to root 2, t2 is equals to 2 root 2, t3 is equals to 3 root 2, and the t4 is equals to 4 root 2. Now we will check the differences. d1 is equals to t2 minus t1. Now what is t2? 2 root 2 minus root 2. Now 2 root 2 minus root 2. Only root 2. Now d2 is equals to t3 minus t2. Now what is the t3? 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 that means again root 2. So our difference will remain same. So our difference is d is equals to root 2. Now we will find out the fifth term. t5 is equals to a plus 4d. That means what is our first term? root 2 plus 4 into root 2. That means 4 root 2 plus root 2 is 5 root 2. Now t6 that means a plus 5d. Now what is a? root 2 plus 5 root 2 that means 6 root 2. Now t7 is equals to a plus 6d. That means root 2 plus 6 root 2 that means 7 root 2. So our fifth term is 5 root 2, sixth term is 6 root 2 and the seventh term is 7 root 2. So now we will move to the next question. Now in the question number 13, root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12. That means इसको हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं root 3, root 6, root 9 means 3 and root 12. Root 12 means 4 3s are 12. That means 2 root 3. So our first term t1 is equals to root 3, t2 is equals to root 6, t3 is equals to 3 and the t4 is equals to 2 root 3. Now we'll check the differences. d1 is equals to t2 minus t1. Now what is t2? root 6 minus root 3. अब इसका कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Now t2 that means t3 minus t2. Now what is t3? 3 minus root 6. Now we can see that difference will not remain same. So d1 not equal to d2. So it is not an AP. ये AP ही नहीं है क्योंकि यहाँ पे डिफरेंस देखो कैसा मिल रहा है. root 6 minus root 3, 3 minus root 6. So d1 is not equal to d2. Now in the question number 14, 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. That means 1 square is 1, 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25 and the 7 square is 49. So our t1 is equals to 1, t2 is equals to 9, t3 is equals to 25 and the t4 is equals to 49. Now we will check the differences. d1 is equals to t2 minus t1. That means 9 minus 1 is equals to 8. Now second difference, d2 is equals to t3 minus t2. Now what is T3? 25 minus T2 is 9. That means 16. Now we can see that again difference will not remain same. So D1 not equal to D2. That means it is not an AP. So now we will move to the next question. Now in the question number 15, 1 square, 5 square, 7 square, 73. So 1 square is 1, 5 square is 25, 7 square is 49, 73. So T1 is equals to 1, T2 is equals to 25, T3 is equals to 49 and the T4 is equals to 73. Now we will check the differences. D1 is equals to T2 minus T1, that means 25 minus 1 is equals to 24. Now D2 is equals to T3 minus T2. Now what is T3? 49 minus 25, that means 24. So we can see that difference will remain same. So our difference D is equals to 24. So now we will find out the next term, that means T5. T5, that means A plus 4D. Now what is A? Our first term is 1 plus 4 into 24. Now 24 4s are 96. 96 plus 1, that means 97. Now T6, A plus 5D, that means 1 plus 5 into 24. Now 24 5s are 120. 120 plus 1, that means 121. And the T7 is equals to A plus 60. That means 1 plus 6 into 24. Now 24 6 are 144. Now 144 plus 1 is 145. So our fifth term is 97, sixth term is 121 and the seventh term is 145. So now in the next video we will move with the next question.